So when you're cleaning your baby's belly button, some people use alcohol and some people say that their doctor says not to, and everyone is in a big uproar about whatever. But when it's goopy like this, you need to clean it. So I use alcohol. So I use alcohol.
Right.
And it's just a small amount. And basically, if you get this nice and warm, I'm going to hold it to the heater for a second, and you just clean the belly button.
Right. Do that again.
Okay. So you just warm the alcohol up. You can do it in your hand. You can do it against a heater.
Mm-hmm.
And if you clean it, just watch his face. He's not even going to be bothered. I'm touching it right now. A lot of people are really nervous about touching the belly buttons. But look at his face, how calm and relaxed he is. I'll say that again in case. Look, his face is so calm and relaxed. And I'm rubbing quite firmly on the belly button. The only reason babies startle when you rub their belly button and clean it, you'll notice all the gunk, is because it's cold. This cord, when it was attached, was moving all around and being yanked and pulled when they were in the womb. So you can really be quite firm with cleaning the belly button, and some people are nervous about it and it actually starts smelling. Then another little thing I did just to clean it so he doesn't get startled is I wrapped his arms in this swaddle. So I wrapped behind him and then just tucked this right under his body. And that way he's not going to startle. There's just a little trick.